Gotta call Danny Danger, needs some baling wire. Important stuff. So, we're gonna play rescue. Put it on that black mat. Gonna be replacing that. Manual windows. I love it. Manual door lock car. Very neat. Gonna get that brake light off here in a little while. I'm sure it's just the wires on the reservoir on the master cylinder. AC works good in this car. See how it does four-wheeling through this mess. We've been getting a lot of rain around here. Very neat little car. Needs a little TLC, but nothing too bad. Ooh boy, that kick. Good running car for being mostly stock. Looks like I might have forgot to hook that speedometer cable back up after the transmission swap. Test drives, that's why they're important. Girl. Very strong running old car. Not bad for an 88 GT. Still capable of daily driver status. Running around on those drag radios and them little bitty welds. Bigs and littles in the rain in Houston. Dangerous. And there we have it. Good running little car. Alize.